Hey there, it's Dr. Neil Garrison at Smoky Mountain Hearing Specialists. I'm here with Courtney, our community outreach coordinator. And a lot of people ask, what happens whenever you come in for a hearing test? So first thing that we'll do is we'll sit down together. We'll kind of go through a case history, get to the bottom of what brings you in today, address any of your questions, concerns. We're going to look in your ears. We're going to do some tympanometry, make sure that your eardrums are moving and vibrating the way that they should be. And then we're going to come over here to the booth. And just make sure to watch your step right there, Courtney. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some headphones on you. We're going to give you a little button so you can sit, relax. And Courtney, all you're going to do after we get everything set up is you're going to click that button every time that you think that you hear the beeps, even if you can just barely hear them. So even if it's very faint, she's going to click it.
That's great.
So I'll give you this button.
Thank you.
We're going to make sure you're comfortable. So I'll put these on you. You're welcome to adjust them if you need to. Does that feel okay?
Perfect.
All right.
Great.
All right. Then I'll move over here to my desk at the audiometer. The first test that we will do is pure tone audiometry. So we're going to be testing 250 through 8,000 hertz. You might ask, why those frequencies? Well, a healthy human ear can detect from about 20 to 20,000 hertz. What we use in speech is typically around 250 to 8,000 hertz. So that's really what's important, and those are the frequencies that we'll use when we program your hearing aids. And then we're going to pull you back out of the booth. We don't want to keep you in there too long. All right, Courtney.
Perfect.
So make sure to watch that step.
Thank you.
After we get all of the results that we need, we're going to sit down together. We're going to first go over your results. Make sure that everything makes sense to you. You know exactly what's going on with your hearing loss. You understand the problems that you've been having and why the data makes sense. From there, if you are a good candidate for hearing aids, we're going to go over different options, and we're even going to allow you to try them in office. So we'll actually program a pair, get them in your ears. That way you kind of have an idea of what you're getting into. You're going to know how they feel, how they fit, what it sounds like, and then you can make an informed decision. Thank you for watching the video. As always, my name is Dr. Neil Garrison. The best way that we can help you is just come in for a completely free hearing test, and we can go from there.